What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about the crypto.com on-chain wallet and the things that I feel you guys need to know about it. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so guys, if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. I upload new cryptocurrency videos daily, so consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of those. So this is the landing page of crypto.com, and the link to this will be in the description of the video. It is providing the users with the direct access to on-chain functionality through its non-custodial wallet infrastructure. And stay tuned, guys, because I will show you how it actually looks like on my phone. That way you could follow through when you start doing it. So it is actually enabling the interaction with blockchain networks while also maintaining full control over digital assets. Now, users may also create a new Ethereum compatible wallet that supports the ERC20 tokens, or import an existing wallet using your private key or the recovery phase. Now, these credentials are generated and managed solely by the users because crypto.com does not retain custody or recover your access. So make sure that you have those seed phrases or your private keys in a safe place. Now, once configured, users will be able to deposit supported cryptocurrencies such as the Ethereum or ERC20 stablecoins by transferring the assets to their on-chain wallet address. Now, all of the deposits are also recorded on the blockchain, and it is going to remain publicly verifiable through the network explorers, just like how cryptocurrency works. And the wallet is allowing the users to manage the balances, send and receive tokens, and interact with the centralized applications via an integrated browser inside that on-chain wallet. And I will show that to you in a bit. So through this interface, users like us will be able to access smart contracts, DeFi tools, or experimental Dev AI related applications that are subject to protocol conditions. So after the account activations, users may actually receive promotional rewards, which also includes USDT tokens and trial credits, which is actually very awesome because you will get those rewards once you get into the app. So along with this eligibility for the Dev AI staking products and the smart earning features. So certain on-chain activities may also require transaction fees that are paid in native assets, and with the rewards or the referrals that are governed by disclosed program rules. Okay, so once you have opened your phone, and this is, I'm using an iOS, guys. So once you are in the App Store, you could just go ahead and download that. So let me just rewind that a bit. Okay, so crypto.com on-chain wallet. All right, so you can open that one. Now, once you have actually opened your on-chain wallet, if that is your first time opening it, you can already make your own wallet. Or again, if you have your wallet already, you could import that there. But it's very, very easy to follow, guys. Just follow the procedure and then it will be there. Now, once you are already inside your wallet, okay, just put in maybe like $1 or $2 worth of Ethereum in there. Now here you will see that at the bottom you have a browser, right? So I tap on that one and I put in that Dev AI on-chain. So onchainvn.com, all right? So search for that and it will take you directly to this, all right? Now once you are here, so you could already enter the platform, and if it's going to ask you for an invite code, you could use the one that I have in the description below. So once you have already entered that, you could click on enable, tap on enable now. Okay, so once you tap on enable now, guys, this will show up. Click on continue, and then you will see all the terms and conditions. Of course, you have to read through that. And then once you are done, you can check the read and agree if you read and agree on that terms and agreement. Confirm and sign, and then it will go ahead and do its thing. Okay. Okay, so once it's done, you will see that congratulations, and it will tell you that it's already activated and you have that registration bonus. Okay, so I will show you where you will see that one, and you also have that trial principal amount, so you could earn daily interest. All right, so I tapped on start earning, and this is how it looks like. So smart earnings, you have that 00, of course, because I just started. All right, and if I go to the dashboard, you will see that total assets. That is the $2 bonus that I was talking about earlier. Okay, and then so this is the earnings. All right, so those are the tiers. Okay, and again, guys, of course, you gotta make sure that you're always doing your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And that is the trial balance that I am talking about, guys. See, so you have those taking 15 days, 30 days, and different ones. And you have this referral program that they have as well. So this is another, way to have that income in the platform. So you could go ahead and check that one out as well. So platform balance, I have $2. And you have, this is what the part where you could actually withdraw your money, okay, or your assets. All right, so that is basically how it's done, guys. And of course, you gotta make sure that you are always doing your own research. Here in their website, guys, you have all the necessary information that will help you understand more on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that you need to know about them. And again, guys, if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. I upload new videos daily. Consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.